From Choclatique. I am the Chocolate Doctor. Ever wondered how they get that beautiful shiny finish on those wonderful cakes and eclairs? Well, they use a ganache, but this is a little bit different ganache than you would use for a truffle. You start with the basic ganache and you're going to melt that in a microwave oven along with a little butter and a little cream. Just takes a few seconds inside the microwave oven. We've already heated the chocolate, so the chocolate will just blend very nicely with the cream and the butter. And the smell is absolutely wonderful. Now you can use a ganache like this on a cake as fancy as a soccer torte, like the one that's right over here, or you can dip cupcakes in them. You can dip eclairs in them or cream puffs. And after just a few minutes of stirring, you're going to wind up with this beautiful, beautiful pourable ganache. Okay. And the smell is absolutely delicious. Okay. This is ready to pour on top of your favorite cake. I'm Ed Gorin, the Chocolate Doctor. Take 2 truffles and call me in the morning.